Hey, what's up everyone? So Samsung has pushed a new update for Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is now available with April security patch, and you can also see that the update is about 1500 megabyte in size. Here Samsung has also updated these applications, which include Galaxy Wearable, Samsung Global Goals, Samsung Kids, PenUp, Samsung Internet, Samsung Health, Smart Things, Galaxy Shop, Samsung Members, Calculator, Smart Switch, and Voice Recorder has been updated here as well. Also here it is mentioned that we will be getting better performance and stability from this update. So let's see if it is true or not. Okay, now I'm tapping on update and let it complete the process. In the meantime, let's discuss what Samsung is doing with camera on Galaxy S22 Ultra. So according to Ice Universe on Twitter, S22 Ultra is having a hard time in processing all those highlights in a photograph. But as this is something related to software, so it can be fixed with a new update. Also, if you're facing any kind of lag or issue with your Galaxy S22 Ultra, let me know that in the comments below. Okay, right now after the update, system is optimizing all the apps installed on my phone. I don't really have that many apps as I just got my phone few days back. So now the phone is updated and it feels a bit laggy, by the way, moving across system UI. I think the system is launching all those services in the background, so that is the reason we are getting this startup lag. Anyways, now the latest system update has been installed, and here once again you can see that April update has been applied to my smartphone. I tested out camera before and after the update. There was not much of a difference, but once again you guys are the judge here. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be also testing out battery life and I'll update you guys on Twitter. Make sure you follow me there. So guys, that was about it for today's episode, and I'll get you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.